Hello, friends. I'm Renuka Kela, and today I'm going to share a case study of how you can improve husband wife relationships, how to create harmony in husband wife relationships. So, this lady she approached to me and she said her husband and she were having very bad relationship. They were constantly quarreling for some reason or the other, and she said it's so bad that I am thinking of even moving out of the house and I have seen another place and I'm really intend to move out. If it was not for my kids, I would have been out of this marriage by now. So I said, okay, fine. We went to the house and I made a map, got the map made of her house and I gridded the house. On gridding, I found that in the northwest of her house, which is a zone of attraction, as we all know, there was a golden yellow wall, a huge wall. And plus, there was the kitchen gas burner in that zone at all, completely. Yeah. Then I found that they were sleeping in the east southeast. The bed was completely in the east southeast, causing a lot of churning. Further, they had a toilet in southeast and southwest. So, in southeast, toilet was giving them financial problems also, and southwest, toilet was disposing of their relationships. So, when I saw all this, that nothing was helping the husband and wife in their relations, all these things were contributing to making it even more worse. So, we addressed the issue one by one. First, golden yellow wall in northwest. We changed that. I gave her an option of choosing from colors like silver, white, blue, whatever she liked. She chose silver, so we painted that wall silver. Also, gas burner in northwest, which was causing fire in their relationships. That because they did not have the green Baroda stone at that time, we taped it with a green tape all around and we treated that burner. In their bedroom, they had space east southeast and southeast. So I shifted their bed from east southeast a little towards the right, which went into southeast. The toilet in southeast we treated with a red tape. Further, when we came to southwest, southwest had a toilet and it also had a washing machine. So the toilet we treated with a yellow tape. The washing machine in southwest was causing churning in their relations. We know that southwest is the master zone of relationships and there was two major defects in southwest, the washing machine and the toilet. So we treated the toilet with a yellow tape and washing machine. Luckily, the lady had place in the east southeast, so I got it shifted from southwest to east southeast. So after doing all these changes, then we gave some time for things to happen. 2 months later, when I visited their house again, I asked her how were things. She was looking so much more calm. She said things between her husband and her were so much more better. She said they are not quarreling anymore. She said although we have disagreements between us, but at least we both sleep better and they were more at peace with themselves. So that was really good. She was very happy about it. But a step further, she said, what magic have you done? I said, what magic? Tell me. She said, my husband, who never used to take so much interest in his work, he is a doctor by profession, but he never wanted to practice medicine. Suddenly, he has changed so much and he takes so much more interest in his work and he's treating patients every day. And he is so much more enthusiastic about his work. He says, I can work like 8 hours a day. She said, have you done any magic? I said, no, this is not my magic. This magic is Mahavastu magic by KB sir. So this is how Mahavastu works. It creates environment in your house which uplifts your life. Yeah, where you are having a lot of problems, suddenly when you harmonize things, when you balance your home, things become so much more better. Come, experience Mahavastu. Uplift your life too. Thank you so much.
हर घर